Game 4, e4, e5, f4, king's gambit. The purpose of this move is to try to get a complete control over the center by sacrificing a pawn. If black takes, white is gonna play knight f3 and d4. Also, if file is open, there can be some attacks on a weak f7 square. Bishop c5 puts the bishop in the center, prevents d4, and also probably preventing white from castling. Knight c3. Mistake would be to take here, allow this check, which would win a rook. Actually, white is hoping here that black would play bishop takes, try to win a pawn, but after rook g2 and f takes e5, white would have a really nice game. Knight c6, developing a piece. Knight f3, developing a piece and also stopping this check once for all. E takes f4, really bad move because it surrenders the center, moving a pawn instead of pieces in the opening. And also this pawn that you won is probably gonna be lost soon because it is hard to defend. So this is pretty bad move. Instead, d6 would be much better to get better control of the center. And also develop this bishop. Of course, seizing the center and attacking a bishop. Bishop can get out and take this pawn. Probably better was to go back, give more protection to the king because it starts to feel kind of shaky. Bishop f4. There is advantages and disadvantages to this move. Advantage is you're seizing more space, cramping the black's position. Now this knight cannot develop here. Disadvantage is that now your pieces cannot use this e5 square. Maybe that square was good for your knight in the future. Takes. Black thought he should give white doubled pawn by giving up bishop pair, but that's not good. We now have bishop pair, and also we can get rid of this pawn really quickly by playing c4. Better was bishop f5 to counter bishop d3. Excellent diagonal for this bishop. h6 trying to prevent these moves, but probably it was better to just continue developing. Seizing the open file with the rook and attacking the pawn. b6, not a really good move because it weakens light squares and also this knight loses a protection which can be exploited in the future. Maybe better was to play rook b8 or queen c8, connecting the rooks. Better was to maybe play knight a5 and try to get control of this square. If white takes, then black is gonna have a really nice home on d5. Castle. White started really strong attack by first sacrificing and getting 2 pawns for a bishop, also shattering pawns in front of the king, and now all sorts of dangerous moves are coming. Knight g5, rook f3, and so on. Knight g6, there wasn't a really better alternative. If knight f5, takes, and then take the knight. Now you see this b6 move was a mistake. Same with the bishop, takes, and also even f5, just take a bishop. So there wasn't really an alternative. Knight g6, knight g5, threatening mate. Rook e8, trying to make some breathing room for the king, but it's too late. Bishop takes, and simple mating too. So I hope you enjoyed this game. Thanks for watching, like the video, and see you in the next one.